just like to say that it's been an amazing experience meeting Graham and recording an episode with him. I have certainly raised my profile. I've had commissions. It's inspired me to enter into competitions in which I've been really successful. And I know it's brought people to me to buy my work. Nearly half the paintings that were shown in the episode living in someone else's house now, which is a wonderful thing. And I can't recommend Graham and his work highly enough. He's been a wonderful ambassador for the arts and for artists, and I thank him from the bottom of my heart. And I'm very excited to be one of the artists that will be heading to the moon in a couple of years, all as a result of meeting Graham. Thanks.